आपकी हेयरलाइन पीछे जा रही है and you don't know what to do about it. Today I'll tell you those reasons which 90% people do not know about and how to fix it. So mainly 4 things: DHT inhibitors, minoxidil, PRP और GFC session and microneedling. आइए इनके बारे में आज हम बात करते हैं. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon. आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि हेयरलाइन का सेफ इफेक्टिव ट्रीटमेंट क्या है अगर आपकी हेयरलाइन पीछे जा रही है, किन कंडीशंस में आपको मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट लेना है एंड व्हेन यू शुड डिसाइड यू शुड गो फॉर हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट. बट बिफोर दिस, लेट अस फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड, ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द रीजन व्हाई यू आर हैविंग अ रिसीडिंग हेयरलाइन. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल इफ you want to understand science-backed, doctor-based solutions. So when do you start seeing a problem? When you feel the temples are thinning or you feel that a lot of hair is being shed in the drain. Also, your forehead looks bigger in selfies and there is sudden loss of hair after some diet or stress. Let us now explain this. DHT usually shrinks the follicles, causes miniaturization. धीरे धीरे बाल पतले होने लगते हैं और धीरे से वो follicle खाली हो जाता है, shaft गिर जाता है, the root becomes empty, so it is called empty follicle. जब हम dermoscope, trichoscopy करते हैं तो we see that this is empty follicle. Now DHT is directly linked to hair loss, receding hairline in men especially. In men, the M shape of hairline usually is attributed to DHT problem, and in females, the Ludwig scale, जहाँ यहाँ पर हल्कापन आना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. Now one very common mistake here is many people think कि खाली oil change करने से will be okay. I must tell you here that if the culprit is DHT, then a simple change in oil or shampoo will not help much. It may help in initial stages, but not when the problem is bigger. अगर आप में कोई signs दिख रहे हैं hairline problem के, you can definitely share your problem in the comment section below. So why hairline recedes? Root cause breakdown. Cause number 1, DHT or genetic problem. Cause number 2, lifestyle, poor sleep, whey protein, excessive workout without proper nutritional balance. Cause number 3, stress. Cause number 4, any hormonal problems or other medical problems like thyroid, diabetes and so on. Now one important vitamin D deficiency, vitamin B12 deficiency and iron storage which is ferritin deficiency, these 3 are very common deficiencies seen nowadays in patients जब हम उनका normal day to day investigation कराते हैं. अभी you can see on your screen also so many papers are there जो बताते हैं कि vitamin D deficiency is very common which is causing hair loss. But it is important कि हमें ये पता हो कि किस stage पे हमारा hair वापस आ सकता है. If you are learning something new, do press the like button. So how to reverse it? Let us understand the roadmap. If DHT is at fault, then DHT blocker in the form of oral or topical finasteride, of course with your doctor consultation. Then minoxidil will also help. And then now there are natural DHT blockers जिनकी help आप ले सकते हैं. Number 2, strengthening of follicles. So here we may use PRP therapy or GFC therapy along with low level laser therapy which is triple LT. And number 3, nourish them internally. So we need to check whether vitamin B12 is low, ferritin is low, vitamin D3 is low. उसी according हमको अपने nutritional deficiencies पूरी करनी पड़ेंगी. अगर हम ये नहीं करते तो कितना भी हम दवाई कर ले, hair fall नहीं रुकता. Now very big question is क्या इन दवाइयों और चीजों से मेरा हेयर फॉल रुक जाएगा या फिर मुझे हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट की जरूरत पड़ेगी? तो इसका जवाब हम अभी ही ले लेते हैं. So the answer is अगर baldness ज़्यादा हो गई है on trichoscopy और dermoscopy we see that the follicles are empty, वहाँ पे कोई hair नहीं आ रहा, you've already taken medication, still there is no growth, it means नए hair roots लगाने की ज़रूरत है and thus you should opt for hair transplant. But अगर अभी vellus intermediate grade के hairs हैं जिनको हम medical therapy से strengthen कर सकते हैं, then we would advise कि आप पहले medical therapy लें. So in order to decide whether transplant is needed right away or not, you should better take consultation with your doctor. You can come to us and then we can decide. People ask about cost. So PRP, GFC, they depend on the cost of the kits. So somewhere around 3,500 to 10,000 depending upon the kits used. Hair transplant cost depends on so many factors. In general, it may range from 30 rupees per graft to 120 or 150 rupees per graft, depending upon the technique used, doctor's experience, and so many other factors. So if you are somebody who needs strengthening of hairline, you can call us on the numbers below, or you can send us your pictures and you can come for consultation. So the conclusion is, identify early signs, stop follicular damage, and choose right treatment timely. Do not forget to share this video with somebody who really wants hairline strengthening. If you want to know whether minoxidil or PRP which is to be used and when, you can click the link on the left, and अगर आपको hair transplant की cost पता करना है, you can click the link on the right.